Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love affordable and indie makeup. So if that is what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, give this video a thumbs up and just comment something down below. And today's video is going to be on the Glamlite Barbie palette. Actually, it's called the Dream Summer palette, which I don't think I ever noticed. I thought it was just the Barbie palette. So here is the inside of this beautiful palette. You guys, just beautiful, beautiful blues, purples, pinks. Your typical, you know, Barbie colors. So I think I'm going to do like, because there are some greenish shades, I'm going to do like a bluish greenish look on one eye and like a purple pinky look on the other eye. So let's go ahead and get started. So I think for the bluish greenish look, I'm going to start out with this shade Leave a Message, which is right there. Because that's kind of like a more green toned blue. That is pretty, 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 pretty. And I did get this palette at TJ Maxx, so there's one shade that's busted, but that's not a big deal. I can handle that. That is a pretty, pretty, it looks more blue on the skin than blue-green, but it's still beautiful. We'll make it work. Now I'm going to go in with, if I can find the right brush. It's funny, like I got this brush holder and I was like, it's going to make it so much easier to find my brushes, but it's just as hard. But that's okay. Now we're going to go in with the shade of Friend Zone right here. And we're just going to deepen up that crease a little bit. Sorry, there's like something like my ears like itching really, really bad. We're just gonna go ahead and put this shade onto the lid as well, because I really, really like it a lot. And it's weird because today's Monday, so I'm off work because it's Labor Day. And I'm usually like in a rush when I'm doing my makeup on like Sundays, just trying to get a look done because we gotta go get groceries. So it's weird filming like on an extra bonus day and not having to rush to get anywhere. It's a good relaxing feeling for a change, you guys. Okay, now we are going to, y'all know, take some of that NYX glitter glue. And we're just going to put that down on the inner portion of the lid. And now, this palette has so many amazing shimmers. Just look at this. Like, so, so beautiful. I think, if I can find my brush, I think I'm going to go in with that shade Vacay, which is this shade right here. Because it really, in person, yeah, it leans a little more green. So we're going to go ahead and go in with that shade. Okay, yeah, that is perfect for this look. That is so pretty. So pretty. So beautiful. I just love a good glittery shimmer. That is perfect. So for the lower lash line, I think that, again, if I could find the right brush. I did not think I would struggle this much with an actual brush holder, but you guys, like, it's hard. I don't know if my brush that I'm looking for, here it is. I don't know. They're just all kind of like blending together, so it's hard to tell what's what. So for the lower lash line, I am gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna use the shade that was busted, which is Dream Chaser, right there. And then for a lower inner corner highlight, we're gonna go in with the shade Woohoo, which is that shade right there. Okay. Now for that other eye. I want to start out with the shade Dream Life, which is this shade right here. Looks like such a pretty purple shade. I'm excited. Okay, yeah, that is a really, really beautiful, beautiful purple. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Just Vibes, which is that pretty purple right there. And we're just gonna deepen the crease a little bit and then move that same shade like on the lid. Kind of like we did with the other eye. And then we're going to go in with one of these really, really, really pretty pink shimmer shades. Okay. Now, again, taking the NYX glitter glue, and we're just going to put that on the inner portion of the lid. There's so many noises going on upstairs in my house. I swear it sounds like there's like 2 or 3 people running around, but it's just my husband. Okay. Now for which pink shimmer do I want to use? These are all, you guys, I love Glamlite's palettes because their shimmers are just phenomenal. Okay, I think I'm going to go with this one over here because it's just the lightest pink. And I feel like it would just go perfectly with the purple shades. That's really, really, really pretty. Just really fun. Just really, really fun. All right. I just want to build up that second purple shade Just Vibes just a little bit more on this outer portion of the eye. Just a little bit. Okay. Now for that lower lash line, we are going to go in with the shade Bestie, which is that beautiful purple shade right there. And then for that lower inner corner highlight, you guys, let's go in with the shade. Let's do Out of Office, which is that pretty shade right there. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and this is the finished look. And yeah, just fun, colorful, beautiful look. This is with the Glamlite Barbie Dream Summer Palette. And here's the back of the palette. Just really, really pretty, really fun shades. There's the inside of the palette. And you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up, commenting down below. Just please remember that you are loved, you are amazing. I hope that something really, really just wonderful happens to you today or sometime this week. And just thank y'all again so much for supporting me and my channel. You have no idea how much that means to me. And have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see y'all in the next one.